You'll notice when you try to put this carbon fiber rod in for your rudder or your elevator, it's really thin. This clevis is too big in diameter. So you need to take a number 2 drill bit. I use a 32nd of an inch drill bit and ream out the clevis on just the back side. And this little white piece of Teflon, what it does, it steps up the hole or steps down the hole so it fits the diameter of the thin rod. Okay. Once you get it kind of halfway pressed in, I kind of set it on the table and press it in a little bit. And then I'll take my CA and I'll kind of go around the edge right here. Alright. Just a little drop like that around the edge. And then I'll go ahead and press it all the way down in until it's flush. Okay. Now while it's still wet, I'll put a drop on the top and I'll take my control rod and I'll stick it down inside and I'll make sure it's wet. I'll pull it out and I'll look at the rod. If it's not, I'll rub some glue around the outside edge and I'll stick it down in there like that. Okay, and then I'll hit it with the kicker like that, and then I'll do my welder / foam tack spider web around the edge. So that's how I set up those step out pieces for the thin control rods. Hey guys, I'm going to show you a little trick that you can do with welders or foam tack. Now, first of all, let's explain what we're doing here. We're gluing the clevis ends on the thin carbon fiber connecting rods, and we have to put a little spacer down inside there. And I've CA'd it and put it in, but I like to wrap the end up with what I call a spider web. So take and smear a small strip of welders or foam tack on your finger and let it dry. Okay, and then what I like to do is I like to just touch onto the control rod and I'll start to roll it and it will come up with like a spider web looking thing. You see that? Where it starts to peel up, and I'll get that to come over the joint of my finger. You see, like that, I'll just roll it, just keep rolling it, and it just keeps coming off like a spider web. You can see that, and I can just roll that around the edge of the connector, right? And this stuff gets, you know, pretty hard, and it just keeps stuff from slipping off, and it doesn't add much weight. So just a little trick that I do at the end just to seal that end up. So there's my cocoon type of situation with the glue. You can use it if you like, but this is the way I like to do it.